sekarang ini ada pihak-pihak yang berkata bahawa kalau kita terima Statute of Rome, maka kita akan kes-kes yang berlaku di Malaysia yang bertentangan umpamanya dengan so-called rights of man and all that can lead to our being charged for not observing human rights, dan banyak lagi lah. But actually what they are saying is that if we sign this Statute of Rome, we will lose our independence to form kita punya own policies, dasar-dasar kita, dan kita punya undang-undang di negara. Ini tidak benar. Yang benar ialah kalau kita keterlaluan membuat sesuatu yang dianggap amat buruk sekali, barulah Statute of Rome will be applied to us if we sign. But even if we don't sign, if you do things that are excessive, the whole world will still turn against us. Saya dapati umpamanya Myanmar tidak sign the Statute of Rome, tetapi kerana perbuatan dia yang begitu keterlaluan, excessive, maka dunia ambil pandangan yang berat terhadap Myanmar, dan United Nations juga memberi pandangan yang serius kepada Myanmar tanpa apa-apa pengakuan berkenaan dengan Statute of Rome. Jadi Statute of Rome ini hanya terkena kepada kita kalau kita excessive. Excessive bermakna katalah discrimination in favor of the Malays carried out by seizing all the properties of the Chinese and killing the Chinese. That would be excessive. But what we are doing now is not excessive, because it is meant to ensure that everyone has a share in the wealth of this country, to distribute wealth in order that everybody benefits from the distribution or from the opportunities in this country. That is the purpose. It is not about seizing properties of the Chinese or Indians or whatever, and then bunuh semua orang. Itu excessive. That will invite the world, the UN, to condemn us. But even if we don't sign, they would still condemn us. But the rumor passed around is that if we sign the Treaty of Rome, the Statute of Rome ini, kalau kita tidak tarik balik ratification kita, maka negara kita ini tidak boleh ada sebarang undang-undang yang dianggap sebagai discriminating. Umpamanya, kalau di Eropah, mereka percaya bahawa LGBT is okay. But with us, it's not okay. But if we drag all these people and shoot them or put them in jail or then of course it's excessive. But if we say you will be charged in a court of law and the court will decide, that is not excessive. And besides that, the Statute of Rome says that if we are unwilling or unable, masa itu kita tahu berlaku satu perkara yang dahsyat dan kita tidak ambil tindakan kerana kita unwilling ataupun kita unable. Pada masa itu, maka kalau kita kita accede to the Statute of Rome, they will take action against us because we are not doing something. But what is it that we are not doing? We are doing for all cases of crime in Malaysia, everybody is equal before the law. And we are going to rule this country according to the law. And the law is the law in this country, not the law in other countries. In other countries, they may decide that it's okay to smoke marijuana, but not here. You do that here, you'll be arrested, tried according to the law. And the UN will not have any right to take any action against us. But on the other hand, even if you don't sign the Statute of Rome, if you do something excessive, like you prevent people from being gay and all that by collecting all of them and lining them before the wall and then shooting them. That would be excessive. But if they are only taken in because they break the laws of this country, not the laws of the UN, but the laws of this country, then the UN Statute of Rome does not come into play, and action will be taken against us. So it is whether we are willing and able to implement the laws regarding excessiveness, then I think the Statute of Rome would apply. But kalau kita excessive, sama ada kita sign, tak sign pun, the whole world will condemn us. That is the situation. I am very surprised at some people who try to make use of this signing of the Statute of Rome as evidence that this government has surrendered everything to the Statute of Rome. I know that there is an attempt to try and undermine this government by saying that we have now surrendered all power to foreigners. We haven't. There is no way that they can take action against us if, for example, the previous government, Bosco, curi duit, and we take action according to the law. There is no way they can interfere. But during that time, when this country was being sold to outsiders, these people who talk about Statute of Rome did not say anything. And yet the country was being sold to foreigners. Even when we produced a petition to the Raja, signed by 1 million people, there was no result. But now on this issue, mereka nak cuba gunakan untuk memburukkan kerajaan. Terutama saya guna pengkhianat kepada bangsa saya. Tak apalah dia nak panggil pengkhianat, bolehlah. Tapi mereka lebih pengkhianat daripada saya. Pasal masa Najib curi duit, Najib jual tanah, macam-macam dia buat. Mereka tak satu satu patah pun tegur. They were hiding, I don't know where, but they were worried that action might be taken against them. But now that we want to have a rule of law, and we won't take action against them, or they bring up this matter. This is a political issue, not a question about the law. It is about political issue, trying to blacken the name of this government, including myself. And I know why, because I've been very strict about this money laundering and things like that. And if we find whoever breaches the law, we don't care who they are, we will take action. Whether they are prince or pauper, we will take action. That is our stand. But they have been able to create confusion in the minds of the people that this law negates the rights of the Malays and the rights of the rulers and all that. It is absolute nonsense. They can't possibly come and depose our king because somebody under him, some soldier might have shot somebody. That cannot be done because the king is not an executive. The king is not an executive king or monarch, but acts on the advice of the Prime Minister. Of course, they can come to take action against me, but for what? For what? Am I going to kill people? Am I going to take away the privileges of the Malays? I was the one who helped them, the Malays more than anyone else until I was known as Panama Ultra Malay. But now they're trying to damage that image because they can make no progress politically. Also, some believe that if you don't sign the Statute of Rome, then kita boleh curi, kita boleh buat macam-macam, tak boleh ada tindakan. But this government will take action against those people. Whether we accede to the Statute of Rome or not, if you break the law, we don't care who you are, we will take action against you. If you sell land in this country to others because you are looking for money, then we will take action against you. But having said all that, against the Statute of Rome, we understand that this is a political move to get the rulers to back them up. Of course, some members of the royal family also may be involved, but the whole idea is to get the royalty in Malaysia to go against this government. That is the motive. But because of this confusion, and the confusion also among the rulers, we have made a decision that we will not recognize the Statute of Rome. We have ratified it, but we still have time to withdraw. And we will withdraw, not because the Statute of Rome is harmful to us, but because of the confusion, political confusion raised by some people, including some people who have some political ambition.